Hello, real investors. So right now, I'm here again in Uptown Arts Residence and I'm going to show you all the units. So very quick lang. So i-cover natin lahat ng available units here in Uptown Arts Residence. So konting briefing lang. So this Uptown Arts Residence is ready by 2025 and this is the project na meron konting units per floor. So this is only 12 units per floor and very exclusive siya. Sobrang konti lang ng mga units. So, only 12. So yan. So makikita nyo, nandito ako sa corridor ng Uptown Arts Residence and naka-open yung mga units. So eto, nasa 6th floor ako. Ito pa lang yung pwede naming i-check kasi under construction pa lang yung Uptown Arts Residence. And kung makita nyo, meron pang mga nag-work pa sila dito sa baba. This is the amenities sa baba. And andito ako sa 6th floor. And dito sa right side ko is the 1-bedroom, 59 square meter, Unit L. And facing to ng Mitsukoshi Mall. So ganito ang unit. Yan. Mabilis lang tayo guys kasi para ma-cover natin lahat. And if you want, you can check yung mga previous videos ko na in-upload para sa mga specific units. Then follow and subscribe na din sa channel ko para maging updated kayo sa mga bagong projects here in Uptown Bonifacio, in Fort Bonifacio. So the landers are over there and the Mitsukoshi Mall, ito yung view ng 59 square meter na 1-bedroom unit. Fully furnished na din yung kitchen. So the bedroom is here. Check natin. Yan. Then tara. So this is the 3-bedroom unit naman, 125 square meter here in Uptown Arts Residence. So kung makita nyo, actual units na to, pag bumili kayo ng units sa Uptown Arts Residence, this is the actual deliverables. Fully furnished kitchen, fully furnished toilet and bath. Yan. Then smart switches na din siya. So and smart lock. So hindi na siya katulad ng mga previous project namin sa Uptown Park Suites and yung mga mas matatagal pa na project namin. So yan, ito yung kitchen, the maid's room here and here. May mga rooms, 3 bedroom, common toilet and bath here, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the master's bedroom. So full height window siya from floor to ceiling. So lahat ng project na namin here in Uptown Bonifacio for the Uptown Arts, floor to ceiling na siya. So sobrang liwanag guys. So hindi nyo na kailangan magbukas ng light kapag daytime. So the bath, may bathtub siya, a 3-bedroom. So yan guys. Cover natin lahat. Then kung gusto nyong makita yung specific units, yung mga highlights is you can check my channel, YouTube channel, subscribe me on my YouTube channel, Inside the Township, then follow me sa mga social media accounts ko. And this is the studio unit naman na 41.5 square meters. So this one, meron na tayong HDL na smart switch, may monitor na tayo dito, video intercom, and the kitchen. So hindi pa inailalagay yung induction cooktop here. But the sink is here na, dyan na siya. So, meron siyang refrigerator guys, 2-door refrigerator na Gorenje by Aura Ita. Kung ano yung nakita nyo sa 3-bedroom unit kanina, ganoon na din yung kanyang refrigerator. So, this is the space of the studio unit. So, meron siyang kasamang closet. Kasama na yung mirror panel na yan na dalawa. So, very elegant talaga, Uptown Arts Residence. I'm so proud na we have this kind of unit na ino-offer sa market. So, may balcony tayo dito, the balcony. Ganito kaluwag yung balcony natin. And guys, so pag kumuha kayo ng mga studio unit, facing siya ng Ortigas skyline. So, dito nag-work pa sila. Yan sila, sir. So, yan. Ito yung magiging view nyo. So, yan. The window is also floor to ceiling window. So, meron na siyang kasamang split type inverter aircon. Yan. So, ganito. Ganito yung mga studio unit namin. Then we have also here the one-bedroom unit na another studio unit here. This one, the one-bedroom unit, Unit K. And guys, Unit K. Medyo madilim pa siya, wala pa siyang light eh. Tinay ko siyang open kanina pero hindi pa gumagana yung lights niya. Pero this is a facing Mitsukoshi Mall, Grand Hyatt Hotel, and this is 60 square meter guys na one bedroom, executive one bedroom. Meron siyang maid's room. Madilim lang guys, so pero hindi natin makita. So next time na lang. Tutok kayo sa channel ko, subscribe nyo ako para ma-upload ko kapag ready na to i-view na may lights and visible na lahat ng corner ng room na to. So follow me guys. And this one, another studio unit here. So check natin kung same layout lang din. Check na lang natin the other unit sa other side. So this one, another studio unit. Iba lang yung kanyang layout is the same. So yung kitchen niya yan nasa right side. Yung kanina, yung mga studio unit is nasa left side yung mga kitchen niya. So this is the corridor. So yan guys. Ito yung elevator. So guys, ito 1, 2, 3. Meron siyang 3 elevators. 3, 4, 5. So meron siyang 5 elevators guys for the Uptown Arts Residence. Considering na 12 units per floor lang to. Sobrang dami na nito for the Uptown Arts Residence. So meron pa siyang mga bedrooms here. This is the Unit G. So yan. Yung lights niya sa corridor is motion sensor na din. So this is one bedroom, 65 square meter. And guys, this is 65 square meter, one bedroom unit. And kita nyo naman yung deliverables niya. The kitchen is Gourmet by Ora Ito. Ito Hopper to, na brand. So yan guys, yung mga storage niya, yung mga cabinets. And this is the Frank. So this is a Frank. And for the toilet and bath, yun yung Villeroy & Book na brand natin. Induction cooktop, range hood. And tignan natin kung soft close. Yun, soft close nga guys. Ito yung magiging refrigerator sa lahat ng units na. Kahit mag-studio unit ka, one bedroom, hanggang sa 3-bedroom unit, ganito ang size and 2-door na retro fridge. Same lang kayo lahat ng refrigerator. And this one, HDL smart switch. And another bedroom here. So bedroom 1. So yan, may gumagawa pa. Then toilet and bath. May white wood finish na siya na toilet and bath. Kasama na yung mirror bath panel. And here, rain shower and retractable shower. So guys, sobrang ganda talaga ng Uptown Arts Residence. Kasama sa turnover is the Daikin na split type inverter aircon and floor to ceiling na window for the bedroom. A dining area to. So guys, yan. So guys, so facing kayo ng JP Morgan Chase & Co. And dito, nandito yung church. Church to, then McDo sa side. And dito, the Uptown Parade, Uptown Mall, and yung mga offices building. Mga nag-o-office dyan, sila din yung mga future clients nyo kapag pina-Airbnb nyo or pina-rent tong yung mga units dito. So guys, may mga available pa kaming ganito. For the 65 square meter, meron pa kaming mga apat na available na 65 square meter na one bedroom unit. So yan guys, sobrang ganda. Yun, motion sensor light. So this one, we have here the studio unit pa din. Nakin. Yan. So this is the studio unit. So same lang with the layouts, iba lang yung view niya kapag ito. Nag-iisa na lang to. Guys, nasa 39th floor ang studio unit, 41 square meter. Nag-iisa na lang tong ganitong view. Meron siyang Uptown Parade na view and JP Morgan, 9th Avenue here in BGC. And the Uptown Mall is over there. Sobrang ganda ng mga lights dyan kapag gabi. So floor to ceiling na rin yung ating window. Then may kasama ng closet. guys. So yan. This one is the 2-bedroom unit naman. This is 84 square meter corner unit facing Uptown Bonifacio. So yan, binuksan lang ni Kuya yung ilaw and makikita nyo, napakaganda ng layout ng unit na to. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na 2-bedroom in Uptown Bonifacio because of this kitchen, very Instagrammable, same deliverables with other units, but this one is very exceptional and napakaluwag ng kanyang dining area and living area, and on this wall you can put a painting. So let's go to the balcony. So the balcony is facing East Morning Sun along 9th Avenue facing Uptown Bonifacio. And here we go sa final unit natin, the Unit J, 1-bedroom unit, 59 square meter. And this unit is also a corner unit facing Mitsukoshi Mall and Uptown Palazzo. So same with the other unit, it is already a smart home feature unit with top-of-the-line brands for the kitchen and toilet and bath. So yan, soft close na ang kanyang mga drawers. It has already a retractable faucet, more storage sa taas, and this is induction cooktop, and it has a provision for washer dryer here, and of course the 2-door refrigerator. This is a retro fridge by Gorinier, by Ora ito. So let's go to the living and dining area. Napakaluwag niya and napakaaliwalas ng ating living and dining area because of the windows na from floor to ceiling. So same with the unit. So part ng deliverables is the modular closet and the inverter split type aircon in the room. So if you're looking for a property na ready na for turnover by September 2025, please comment down below what unit would you like to inquire. My contact details are written in the comment section and also in the description box below. Please contact me on my Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. So same number lang din naman siya, and ilalagay ko rin doon sa baba ang aking email address. So if you're looking for no down payment promo, 40 months to pay, dito lang yan sa Uptown Arts Residence. Wala pa siyang down payment as of June 2024. Kung naghahanap ka ng mga units na maganda na, kayo ang may pinakamagandang unit in Uptown Bonifacio, please contact me as soon as possible para mabigyan ko kayo ng sample computation and makapag-schedule tayo ng model unit viewing or online presentation. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you!